Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this really cool product right here that's by Treblab. So if you guys remember, I actually did a review a long time ago when my channel actually was kind of bad with the audio and everything. Pretty much what that was a Treblab Z2, but this time they have a new product that's called a Treblab X5, and pretty much it's a wireless earbuds. And supposedly this one should be better than the one they have right now in the market, or the one that they have for a while called the X2. So right off the bat, when you open the box, you flip it up. So pretty much what is right here is a user manual and a thank you card for buying the product. So here you go, thank you. And here's the user manual in the back. It gives you a earbuds and charging box right here. It's not in there because I have it right here, which I'll show you guys in a second a little bit more about it. So give you the extra ear tips and ear fins if it doesn't fit you correctly, or you guys need a small or bigger one, then there you go. And then last but not least, they give you a small little charging cable to actually charge the device if you guys ran out of battery. So it's not a long one, it's pretty short. So if you guys need a longer one, then you guys get your own, but that's pretty much it that comes inside this small little package. So here we have the logo with Treblab, and if we turn it around, we have the actual logo of the Treblab company. And you turn it around this way and this way and this way, you guys can see there's a charging port right here, which is micro USB to actually power up and charge the device. You click this little button right here, it'll show you the battery life, and if you flip it open just like that, you guys will get the actual product inside. So you guys see there's a little logo, but here's the two actual headphones. So let's take it out first and show you guys what it looks like. So once you take it out, you guys can see that there's two little dots and two little dots right here, which is the wireless charging capability on this headphone. And where it actually charges, it will be on this little component right here, those little two dots right here, if you guys can see. So it actually just clips it on once you close the case, and it actually secures it really nice, so you guys actually won't lose it. And also the fact that it will charge it really well. And if you guys look on top right here, we have the little logo right here, and here's the actual fin itself. So on the left ear, if you guys can see right here, we have a forward and backward button to control the settings going forward and backward. On the right side, we have the same design, but instead of the forward and backwards, we have a volume up and volume down, and the volume up one is where you click it to actually open and turn on the device. So overall for this product, it's actually really amazing. It's pretty much like another AirPod in a way, because of the fact that it has the same kind of design, but it's black and it has more functionalities and more accessories on here. But first thing first, let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like with it on first. So all you do is just clip that part in and then have it backwards. Put this little fin right here to clip inside for extra security, so it won't actually get lost or it won't drop. Same thing for the other ear, we do the same thing. So this is what it actually looks like with it on, if you guys can see. So the overall comfort is really comfortable, and I actually went for a run for a couple days already, and this thing is pretty damn amazing. That thing stays secure on there and it will not fall. So the design of the product, it makes it really secure in your ear. That's number one, but also the fact that having that extra fin on there actually secures it even more, so that's even more amazing. The comfort is definitely there. The audio and the bass is really amazing as well. So right now I'm gonna play a song and then give you guys the feedback of what I can describe to you guys about it. Alright, it's 1 minute into the song. I stopped it because I want to talk about the audio and what comes out this product. So the audio is really clear and really good. So the song that I was actually listening to right now is Thor from the Dark World by Brian Tyler. And the song is really amazing, and you can hear the different details of everything in the music. You can hear all the instruments within the song. It's very detailed, and the bass is really amazing. It's not like loud like a, I don't know, boombox or something, but it's really amazing. Alright, so now that we did the unboxing, kind of like describe the audio of how well it comes out and the bass and everything for this product. Now it's time to talk about whether or not this product is actually worth it. So this product goes for around $80 on Amazon. You guys can probably buy it on the website as well. I'll put all the links in the description box down below as always, so you guys know and kind of go check it out for yourself. But pretty much for $80, would I say that this headphone is actually really worth it? It can actually compete against AirPods based off the fact that how much cheaper it is. If you guys did not know that whether or not AirPods actually had like a black AirPod, this looked legitimately like an AirPod. You guys wouldn't even know, right? So the comfort is definitely there. The design looks like an AirPod. It's actually just as comfort as the AirPod, if not better, because it's more secure. So that's very, very nice. And the fact that this product has noise cancellation or noise isolation is even more amazing. It's one thing that AirPods does not have, and I actually have AirPods, if you guys remember. So having that noise cancellation makes a big difference. Like right now, I'm kind of like shouting with you guys maybe, or maybe I'm not talking loud enough with you guys because of the noise isolation making me not hear as much of what I'm saying to you guys. And there's no button to turn on the noise cancellation. It's just on the spot, continuing using it every time you put it on. So that's very, very nice. And it's also because of the fact that it has these different material on here to actually make that experience much better. And also the fact that these speakers are high quality HD speakers, which is beryllium speakers. And also the fact that since these play for 6 hours and it charges 4 additional times on this product, it's actually really, really worth it, because that's more than Apple, if you guys don't notice that. So that's very, very cool. So pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not this product is actually worth it, yes, yes, and yes. If you guys are trying to look for AirPods, don't waste your time. Get one of these, get 2 of these if you guys want. So if you guys lose one, you guys have a backup, or get another one for your friends. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Out Day, we have...